Hey everyone, I'm here with Ryan Depaulo, also known as the Degenerate Gambler. Now you just got third in the Colossus. Seven-handed, there was a lot of really small stacks. What was your strategy? Were you sweating it? Were you just trying to ladder?
I was shushing the rail, Jeff, because he was saying words like pay jump and ICM. Like, I was like, shut up, I want them to make mistakes. So I guess it was a combo of just trying to eke it. I don't know. I was trying to be very aware of the stacks and let them bust, sort of. I don't know. I got some good coaching last night, or what I believe is good coaching. I was like, yo, here's a very like basic crash course. In ICM is like, just cut off the bottom portion of all your ranges and let other people bust. So I don't know. I was like,
It worked out.
yeah, well, yeah, it worked out. Yeah, it worked out.
Who was giving you coaching last night?
Honestly, he's secret, but Jeff Boski was too. But another anonymous wizard, I think, who's wizard-like in the poker community.
I can't wait for you to tell me off camera.
I know. I don't know if I will. He's like, it's pretty crazy. Like, I guess when you final table the Colossus and you have a YouTube vlog, people are nice to you. No, I'm kidding. I'm no big deal. I'm totally messing around. But like dude, I don't even know. I don't mean to dude you, but.
It's okay.
Dude, I don't even.
I'm not
know.
offended by it.
All right, good. You shouldn't be, because it's
man, dude,
man,
you.
bro. Like, I don't. This is so insane. Like, it's like 100-team parlay I just hit. Like, I got it in. I didn't play that well earlier days. I think I played well at the final table, but I didn't play that well earlier. I made numerous mistakes. But I mean, I guess if you play it for 4 days, you make some mistakes and get away with it. If you go,
You don't go broke. Making the mistakes is the key.
Yeah, seriously. I don't know. Yo, this is so crazy.
I mean, $400 to 208K is very crazy. It seems like it's not even hitting you yet.
No, it's not. It hasn't even. My friend who like bought 5% of me for $20 is
Spoiler alert!
maybe. Oh no.
Could you imagine? She's like,
She's like, oh god. Well, I didn't say which friend. I know. Oh god. Oh god.
well, now none of your friends can watch this video.
Oh,
It's gonna be.
Jesus.
This will make the blooper reel at the end of the summer. How about that? We'll take that little part out.
Okay,
So
thanks.
that you're like friends.
Oh my god, yeah, please. She can't. Not to throw shade, but you know what I mean. That'd be pretty much a buzzkill for like this great moment. So.
She's like, I'm so excited. My friend just got third in the Colossus, watches the video, and she's like, oh my god.
Oh god, yeah. All right.
Well, I'm really happy for your friend that he is.
Yeah. Too. I'm happy for someone who put me in the event. Has just like a nice dude with a family, and I just called him filming it. Like Kate, my girlfriend, was like almost crying for it. Like, just so happy for him. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna send him a check for $100,000 a person. This is ridiculous.
It's so nice to be able to share it too.
Yeah, I know. I wish I had like 1% of me wishes that I had some like New York Poker King or some scum in me, so I could just run. But I would never ever do that. I'm kidding. I would never. I'm so excited. This is so sick.
So how's the Degenerate gonna celebrate tonight?
Yo, I don't even know. Definitely got to play some stuff. Some at least enough to get the maximum M Life card is what I'm going for.
The noir, the invite only noir card.
Yeah, whatever that takes. I'll track.
I know
my
about
points.
it.
So, all right, yeah, I'll get that, and then I'll call it a day with the gambling. It's
Okay, if do you have a roulette number?
yeah, 36 and 10. Shout outs to 36 and 10.
Do you know? Is it like for like an athlete or something? Because see you wearing a jersey. Is there like a number 36 or a number 10 you like?
36. No, it's just like troll. Like people didn't bet on it like a while ago, and I just wanted to annoy them because many people play birthdays. So it's like the dick betting on the don't pass line sort of thing. And 10 is Chad Pennington, who's the GOAT, the greatest of all time. I don't even know if you've even heard of him, but
I know who that is.
yeah, he's a Jets quarterback with a bad arm, but he's like my favorite athlete ever.
Okay, so let's talk about a sad topic today. The New York Knicks. You're representing the Mari Stoudemire jersey. Did they just like totally screw up the Kevin Durant thing and everything?
I don't even know. I'm posing more. Well, I'm a native New York Cityer, but this is more just representing New York. I really don't care. But they blew it. They lost him.
Yeah, so he's going to the Nets now. Everyone's going to the Nets instead of the Knicks.
Oh damn. Yeah, they it's so stupid trading players for cap space. Boski's all in, I guess, but I'm much more important. I don't care. There's like level 1. I never want to play
Fourth level of an 888.
Dude, this is
There's still re-entry.
Get out of here playing early levels of a tournament.
So
I'm
you
all
can
about
do-
final tables now.
You only play final tables. You're like, can I just max late reg into the final table now?
I max late reg this, and I was like saying to the dude, I was like, yo, if you don't want to buy, I got it. It's fine. Like, I understand that, like, you know what I mean? This is a little reckless of me, like, not what you design when you back someone. He's like, no, I trust you, man. Whatever you want, go ahead.
So was your schedule going to look like now? You know, obviously $400, one of the lowest buy-in events of WSOP. Are you going to start playing some bigger buy-ins?
I would love to. I think I have to go back to my regular job until August 18th, and then I'll look at whatever tournaments, circuits are
It's a regular job.
I work in a box office on Broadway. It's a union job. It's good. I bicker with my boss a lot. He's probably seeing this. He knows. It's not a secret that we're a little like.
What box office? Just for all shows or for one show?
For one show at the Neil Simon Theater, where the share show is now, but it's closing, and so there's no work when my show closes. It's funny that someone just won 200K is like worried about the little details of their job, but it's a good job. So I don't know. I get laid off August 18th, and then I'll be chilling. Then I'll make videos and go play some other events and try to win another document or finish top 3.
Like put like 10K on 36.
I know. Seriously, I feel like I owe it to people to at least burn like 15K of this, like as the degenerate character. Like it's like I have to be responsibly irresponsible to the
fans.
To the brand, yeah, to the video, yeah. It's like it's my responsibility.
All right, well, congrats. I kind of hope you just think something huge and like weird big jackpot, so you just like quit your job. But if you quit your job, will you please come back and do it on PokerNews like you?
Okay, yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I hope the moment's still a little special. Yeah. There's like I don't know at what point how much you need to win before gambling's not exciting. This is not that amount. It's definitely still very exciting. But like
no, I think you just gamble more and you win more, so it's more exciting. Like I don't think like winning money is never exciting. Of course, it's exciting to win money.
Right. But I guess I mean at what point it's like people would say like, oh, you win the Mega Millions, what are you gonna do? I'd be like, oh, first I'm gonna take a sick trip to Vegas, and they're like, wait, you just won the Mega Million. Like how does that make any sense? But it does to like game recognized game. Like you'll out there know like. This is so sick.
Well, congrats.
I don't belong
Game
there.
recognizes game. We recognize your game. Thanks for watching PokerNews.com.